Don't let the lab coat fool you. I'm not a doctor. I just realized it's the only outfit dramatic enough to match the INFJ brain we're about to dissect today. And trust me that this mind needs a whole medical team. Let me ask you something that only an INFJ will really understand. Have you ever noticed a pattern long before anyone else sees it? Not because you were looking for it, but because it was simply there, appearing in your mind like a quiet echo? Have you ever just known where something was headed, even when the people involved insisted everything was fine? If so, welcome, because today we're diving into the hidden machinery behind one of the most powerful misunderstood aspects of the INFJ mind, pattern recognition loops. The internal system that allows you to detect emotional trajectories, interpersonal dynamics, and future outcomes with uncanny accuracy. I'm Lisa Nahr, author of Inside the Mind of an INFJ, and what I'm about to explain is something most INFJs have never heard framed in science, but have lived every day of their lives. Let's begin with the truth. INFJs do not think in straight lines. You think in loops, layers, webs, and invisible connections. Your brain is not processing one event at a time. It is running multiple meaning maps simultaneously. Pattern recognition is not something you do. It's something you are. While the average person notices events as they happen, INFJs notice what those events mean. You don't just observe behavior, you interpret motive. You don't just hear tone, you understand emotional context. You don't just see a moment, you track its trajectory. This is because your dominant function, introverted intuition, operates like a silent internal algorithm, taking emotional data, sensory cues, micro-expressions, inconsistencies, memories, and symbolic patterns, and turning them into predictions. Not guesses, not assumptions, patterns. Let me break this down in a way the average person could understand. While most brains use pattern recognition to make life easier, the INFJ brain uses pattern recognition to make life comprehensible. Did you know that on average, viewers are only watching the first 5 minutes and 13 seconds of my long-form videos? That means you might be missing out on some really valuable insights and discussions that happen later in the video. If you enjoy these types of convos, please hit the like button on the vid. Also, would be doing me a big favor if you could subscribe. It's free, appreciate you. Here's how the loop works. Your brain picks up subtle details automatically. Your intuition begins connecting them. Your internal pattern loop starts running simulations. Your emotions start responding to those simulations. Your predictions form before you consciously realize it. And here's what makes INFJs different. Your emotional system responds to patterns as if they're already real. That's why you get anxiety before something happens. Your intuition has already detected the pattern forming. This is why INFJs say things like, I don't know how I know, I just know. I can feel the ending coming. Something's off. I can't explain it yet. I can see exactly where this is going. Let me tell you something most INFJs don't realize. You're not psychic. You're efficient. Your brain tracks data other people ignore. Emotional tone, behavioral shifts, past patterns, underlying motives. You absorb more information than people realize, and your brain compresses it into intuitive insights. One INFJ described it perfectly. It's like I'm watching a movie and I already know the plot twist because the foreshadowing is too obvious. To an INFJ, life is foreshadowed. Let's go deeper into the neuroscience of this. INFJs have heightened connectivity between regions responsible for pattern detection, contextual interpretation, temporal prediction, emotional resonance, social analysis. Specifically, the brain's default mode network, responsible for imagination, introspection, and mental simulation, is highly active in INFJs. This creates a loop where intuition and emotional interpretation constantly reinforce each other. You sense patterns, you feel patterns, you internalize patterns, you predict patterns, you prepare emotionally for patterns, then you confirm patterns. This is why INFJs often feel 10 steps ahead, emotionally, psychologically, relationally. But it comes with a cost. Because your brain is always running these loops, your emotional system can struggle to distinguish between what is actually happening, what is starting to happen, and what will inevitably happen. To the INFJ brain, future emotional outcomes can feel just as real as present ones. This is why you grieve relationships before they end. why you feel uneasy around someone who hasn't done anything wrong yet, why you pull away quietly when a pattern appears dangerous, why you get exhausted from situations other people insist are fine. Your intuition isn't reacting to the moment, it's reacting to the pattern beneath the moment. Let me give you a story you'll recognize, even if you've never told it out loud. Imagine you meet someone new. They're charming, they're open, they're charismatic, everyone loves them. But something in you hesitates, not because of what they said, but because of the feeling behind what they said. Something doesn't match. Something is misaligned. You pick up a microtension, a contradiction, a motive that doesn't match their tone. Everyone else calls them friendly. You call them not consistent enough. Fast forward 3 months and the mask slips, the motive emerges, the pattern becomes visible. And suddenly you're not surprised because you already saw the shape of the ending. That's the INFJ pattern recognition loop. It sees through tone, through behavior, through inconsistency, through contradiction. And it does it quietly, efficiently, almost invisibly. This is why INFJs often feel misunderstood. People think you're overreacting. You're not. You're overprocessing and accurately. Let's talk relationships, because pattern loops change everything. INFJs don't fall for words. They fall for consistency. You don't trust what someone says. You trust how they show up over time. You don't care about promises. You care about patterns. This is why INFJs rarely give second chances. If the pattern is broken, the loop is broken. Your intuition registers that something fundamental has shifted. And once the pattern collapses, the relationship often collapses with it. Now let's talk about the dark side, because every INFJ has one. Pattern loops can hurt you. They can make you anticipate pain too early. They can make you protect yourself too soon. They can make you withdraw before someone understands what they did. Sometimes you're right, sometimes your intuition saves you, and sometimes the pattern is old, not current. INFJs often replay old emotional loops inside new experiences, not because you want to, but because intuition and memory are deeply linked. Your brain doesn't just analyze patterns, it remembers patterns. It stitches patterns, it warns you with patterns, it protects you through patterns. Let me tell you what INFJs rarely hear. Your pattern recognition ability is not a burden. It's intelligence in its purest form. It's clarity, it's depth, it's insight, it's your internal compass, it's your emotional early warning system. But it needs balance. You must learn to ask, is this a new pattern or an old one wearing new clothes? Because your intuition is powerful, but your past is too. And learning the difference is what turns an INFJ from emotionally overwhelmed to emotionally empowered. By the end of this video, here's what I want you to understand. Your ability to see patterns is a gift. Your intuition is not accidental. Your insights are rooted in years of unconscious observation. You are not guessing. You are perceiving truth before it becomes visible. If this resonated with you, comment, I see the patterns and now I understand why. And if you want to go deeper into how your INFJ mind analyzes, predicts, and emotionally interprets the world, my book, Inside the Mind of an INFJ, is available on Amazon now. Make sure you subscribe, because the next long-form video dives into the brain system people misunderstand the most, the threat system, and why INFJs sense danger emotionally before they sense it logically. And remember, seeing patterns doesn't make you paranoid, it makes you prepared.